Hi, everyone. I'm Christopher Thornycroft with Redwood Logistics, and welcome to the March 27th, 2023 edition of the Redwood Rundown. We're coming up on the end of the quarter. We're going to be partying at the end of this quarter because we are done with this quarter. We want nothing to do with this quarter. We want to move on. So we're going to celebrate over here at Redwood. The day after we recorded the rundown last week, well, we got the update that the second largest truckload merger in history has taken place as USX has been acquired by Knight-Swift. This is only second to, of course, the Knight-Swift merger that took place. So we are now seeing that significant consolidation of capacity starting to take place. That is definitely going to drive costs up, by the way. Make no doubt about it. Then what happened the day after that? Arrow Trucking, over 400 trucks shut on down. This company represented a lot of owner-operators. So what have we been talking about? Those small owner-operators are being driven out of the market. Every single week we say we have not seen the bottom of the market. And then what do we get every single week? Another reduction of spot rates. So as rates continue to come on down, just understand that is the market searching for its bottom. Will we get there? Yeah, we're going to get there. And most likely you're looking at that bottom of the market being reached sometime between April to mid-May before we all of a sudden hit what we know is going to be a really rough patch for the Road Track Week taking place on May 16th through the 18th. Put in your PTO now. But until we get there, we think that we are going to be faced with continued downward pressure on that market that will continue to force capacity out. So that's about all we have for the end of the quarter edition of the Redwood Rundown. We do anticipate there will be some sort of freight volume push that takes place over this week, but nothing that's enough to be able to really put a clamp on capacity. We would have started to feel that somewhat by now. We're not really seeing it. Is it possible that capacity tightens slightly? Yeah, it's possible, but it's really unlikely to really damage those contract routing guides in any type of meaningful way. Those routing guides are going to stay in place, they're going to stay established, and everyone is going to continue to accept their contract freight, regardless of what the pressure might get to by the end of this week. That's all we have. Take care. Good luck in your brackets. Good luck in your March Madness, and we'll talk to you soon.